Hello and thank you very much for watching this brief video. Now I want to tell you about the upcoming Ultimate Productivity Workshop. Now this is being held over Sunday the 14th and 20th of April. Now if you are in Europe, this is designed specifically for you because it's at 3 p.m. Central European Time. That's 2 p.m. UK time. If you're in the US, it's 9 a.m. on Eastern side and it's 6 a.m. for those of you on the Pacific side. Now, what is this workshop all about? Well, this workshop is designed to help you to build your very own ultimate productivity system. What we're going to do is we're breaking this down into 4 areas. On day 1, that's the 14th of April, we're going to cover your calendar and your task manager. And I'm going to show you the best way to get these set up so they work together and keep you focused on what's important. And then in week 2, that's the 21st of April, we're going to look at the biggest drag on most people's productivity system, which is communications. That's handling messages and email. And on top of that, we're going to finish off with the glue that brings everything together, how to do an effective daily and weekly planning session. And trust me, I'm going to give you ways that's going to make those sessions a lot of fun. Now, plus, when you join this workshop, you get access to 4 of my top-selling mini courses. That's going to be the areas of focus course, the time blocking course. You're also going to get email mastery and the planning course. That's 4 mini courses which are valued at well over $150. You're going to get that for free. And if you go for the Ultimate 3 package, you also get my Time and Life Mastery course plus 2 coaching sessions with me personally, one-on-one. There is a lot in this workshop that I am giving you. It is an amazing workshop that's already helped hundreds of people to build their very own ultimate productivity system. And I want you to have that chance to finally build your system so that you can enjoy the summer knowing you've got everything under control and you've got enough time to do all the things that you want to do. So I hope you can join the course. Full details about the course are below. Please check it out, have a look, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at any time. So thank you very much for watching this brief video.